is our Nigerian guy. He's super fight in MMA. He's our main event. Kalaban niya Nigerian guy. The coach of New York Visayan boxing team. And main event. For the Mexican. Yes, sir. Si Sir is one of the famous sport fighters in the Philippines. Kukunan nila rin ng konting salita lang say something about the preparation and about the fight with Yes, sir.
So, are we connecting? Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So, we have here two foreign fighters. The name of Emmanuel and Franzo of Mexico. This is Emmanuel of Nigeria. So, sila ang kalaban, Pinoy. So, first question is to Mr. Brandon. You said a while ago that you came here to win. So, elaborate.
My version of elaborating is just do what I do. I don't mean to like put him down or anything, but just knock him out. That's about it.
Do you know your rival? Do you know him personally or just today? Just today. Okay. We are here in Nigerian Emmanuel, so what can you say about your fight?
Well, same thing. We've been there in the cage, and this is the second fight between me and him. So I'm so glad and so ready and prepared. So have a good condition this time around, and I hope we're gonna put on a good fight for everyone.
Who won the first?
I won the first fight.
And then? Second. Is it Kudoka? MMA. MMA or Kudoka? MMA also. So, ito sa aking mga Pinoy, mga malaki Pinoy fighters. So, mukhang malitigas yung mga laban nyo, mga sasabi ko.
Salamat po sa Big Coach dito sa aming pagkakito sa Big Coach. Hindi po magandang natin sa Big Coach. Yung ipasakita ko po yung Big Coach sa DBB, yun lang po.
One line in English, so...
English version. That's why you can understand. You need to speak English.
Everybody busy fight tonight. Is it I win.
How about our other
Well, for me, I am a natural opponent fighter, so I just have to eat what I got, eat what he got, and let him. I'll just do my best.
Your message to your rival.
Well, it's good. Let's live with it and have a beautiful life.
Alright, thank you so much.
How about those? Say about the fight.
Just do your best and keep your beautiful fight. And welcome to the Philippines. Enjoy our
So, whatever the result of this fight tonight, may we have one line or give message to our fighter to share. Fight man.
So everyone out there will be watching live or personal, I'm glad you all be watching me fight tonight and support us for me and the other guys who will be fighting, and especially to my opponent. We thank everything to God and let's do it.
I message to every fighter out there that wants to get in the ring. Consistency is key. You're not going to get anywhere just sitting down. You need to get in the gym, train as hard as you can, and believe in yourself every single day. There is no quitting, especially with us Mexican fighters. And I know the Filipinos, I know they're warriors. I've read up on your history. Y'all beat the Spanish, y'all beat the Americans, and y'all beat the French, just like my people. So much love and respect to all Filipinos.
What can you say about the Catalan fighting system?
Catalan fighting system, I've seen Mr. Catalan fight before. He's a beast. He's too fast, too strong. I appreciate the opportunity to be here, to be in this beautiful gym in your beautiful country and your beautiful people. And hopefully next year I'll be back to fight again.
Are you feeling at home?
Huh?
Are you feeling at home here?
At home?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I got my girlfriend. I got my family here. Hey, you know what my people say over there? That y'all basically the Asian Mexicans.
Sarili ako fans. Invite your fans.
Salamat sa opportunity yung binigyan sa amin sa amin ngayon. Laban namin sa naging gandang laban namin na dumating kami dito sa Super Fight. Wala na iba akong mga kukumit pa. Pinapandrin.
Dari ko sa hockey.
Hello? Well, I invite you all to watch our fight because it's a display of masterclass techniques, and maybe you will see something that will be helpful for you in the future. Patadataga Biskaya, panggoya kayo.
Ayan, lahat ng mga Biskayano dyan, we support our warrior, Raymar, Wasit, Kalanguya, warrior, at Igorot, warrior. Ang sinabi Igorot, warrior yan. Thank you.
Okay, good luck. Let's hear some words from the champion, the Asian gold medalist, Wushu.
Well guys, first of all, thank you so much to all of you here to support our Philippine Equal Championship. Search for more Philippine heroes, and I pray that God protect you in your fight, safe, and just fight a good fight. It's the best. Okay, face off around face off. Kaya isang face off with our